Well, there isn't.
So picture the viewers are coming to us and it's their first chat. They don't know where to start. Probably one of the most common questions we get is around, how much of a deposit do I need or how much savings do I need? So can you start off with, there's a common misconception that people may need a 20% deposit to get into the market. Is that true?
Well, there isn't. At the moment, there's some good government assistance, some schemes available for first home buyers to have a minimum 5% deposit. So, generally speaking, from a lender's perspective, if you borrow more than 80% of the value of a property, the lender will insure that loan and pass the premium of that insurance to the borrower, and that's called lender's mortgage insurance. So the borrower pays for it, but the bank's insured their own loan for anything that's above 80% of the security value. So if you're borrowing 95%, banks will go, I need this insured. So the government's turned around and said, we will guarantee that. We will guarantee that loan so you don't have to get insurance and therefore you don't have to pass that cost onto the borrower. And also, if you borrow more than 80% with most banks, they charge you a higher interest rate because of the risk. Well, in this case, there are a number of lenders that have signed up under the government scheme that will give you a very, very competitive interest rate, and so you're not penalised.